Sony and Microsoft should be absolutely terrified right now. Apple has been secretly engineering a stealth gaming console disguised as a basic streaming box, and the massive supply chain leaks just exposed everything. If you thought the Apple TV was just a boring black puck for watching Netflix, completely erase that from your mind. Apple is forcibly rushing a radically overpowered A17 Pro Apple TV to the market this April, and it will fundamentally disrupt the entire living room. Let's dive into the highly verified supply chain data that confirms this hardware is already built. Mark Gurman, an incredibly reliable industry insider, just reported that global retail inventory for both the Apple TV and HomePod mini is rapidly vanishing. This is not some random manufacturing delay or a minor part shortage. Apple has deliberately starved the supply chain and completely halted production of the older A15 models to clear the shelves for a massive April takeover. Millions of units of the brand new Apple TV are literally sitting inside secret warehouses right now, just waiting for the final green light. So, why is Apple desperately rushing to launch this hardware in April instead of their massive September event? The answer is WWDC 2026. The software engineering team is currently facing a massive, unforgiving deadline. Apple is heavily integrating local Apple Intelligence across their entire ecosystem, but they hit a brutal hardware wall. To process advanced AI commands locally on a device, you desperately need serious silicon. You need an M-series chip or the A17 Pro. The current Apple TV runs on a severely outdated A15 chip that simply cannot handle the intense computational load. When Tim Cook walks on stage this June to unveil tvOS 27 and a totally revolutionized Siri for your smart home, they cannot announce a flagship software feature if literally zero existing televisions can actually run the developer beta. Releasing the new hardware this April is a strict mathematical necessity. Thousands of app developers urgently need this overpowered box on their desks by May to test the new Apple Intelligence apps. So, what is actually powering this tiny beast? Highly verified leaks indicate Apple is dropping a modified A17 Pro chip directly into the chassis, paired with a confirmed 8GB of RAM. This is the exact same terrifyingly fast architecture used in the flagship iPad mini. Putting an A17 Pro chip inside a basic media streamer is completely overpowered, but that is exactly Apple's aggressive master plan. With this raw graphical power, a massive tidal wave is about to hit the console gaming industry. The A17 Pro chip officially unlocks hardware-accelerated ray tracing. This provides the sheer horsepower required to seamlessly run massive AAA console titles, like Resident Evil, Assassin's Creed, and Tomb Raider natively directly on your television. These are not going to be cheap, watered-down mobile ports. They will run natively on your Apple TV at a rock-solid 30 frames per second. Apple will heavily utilize their advanced Metal's spatial upscaling technology to make these massive games look absolutely stunning on a 4000 display. Suddenly, Apple is stealthily sneaking a highly capable casual gaming console into millions of living rooms worldwide, aggressively stealing valuable HDMI ports away from the PlayStation 5. Now, let's talk about the highly requested hardware refinements. The hardcore home theater community has been begging for audio upgrades, and Apple is finally listening. It is highly probable the new Apple TV will officially support full HDMI pass-through, delivering raw, uncompressed audio directly to your premium Dolby Atmos surround sound setups. But what about the physical exterior? Insider whispers strongly suggest Apple is finally ditching the boring, glossy black plastic. The new Apple TV is heavily rumored to feature the exact same premium, recycled aluminum chassis utilized in the brand new Mac Mini. We could even see gorgeous color options like sleek silver and space black, turning the Apple TV into a premium centerpiece you actually want to display. But there is one glaring flaw in Apple's master plan: the storage. Despite the massive leap in raw processing power, the base storage capacity is expected to remain at a pathetic 64 gigabytes. If Apple is genuinely pushing massive AAA console gaming, A single installation of Resident Evil will instantly vaporize your entire hard drive. We desperately need external USB-C drive support this year. While the Apple TV gets a massive brain transplant, it is not the only device evolving. Internal supply chain leaks confirm a brand new HomePod Mini, codenamed B525, is officially dropping this spring. This is not a basic speaker upgrade. This is a total computing revolution. The original HomePod Mini utilized the painfully sluggish S5 chip from the Apple Watch. The brand new version will jump all the way to the incredibly advanced S10 chip. This massive leap in processing power is required for one reason: zero latency Siri. Right now, asking your smart speaker a question requires a painfully slow trip to a cloud server. With the new S10 neural engine, Apple Intelligence will process your voice commands locally, turning on your lights instantly. Apple is also completely overhauling the wireless connectivity. The new HomePod Mini will feature the incredibly fast Wi-Fi 6E protocol and the N1 networking chip, completely eradicating those incredibly frustrating device not responding errors forever. It also includes the advanced U2 ultra-wideband chip, making audio handoff from your iPhone feel totally magical. Leak code even suggests these new speakers can listen for breaking glass, acting as a home security siren. Now, let's look at the ultimate wild card for the living room. For years, we have heard rumors about a dedicated Apple Smart Display, internally referred to as the HomePad. It is a device that resembles a small iPad, but lives permanently on your kitchen counter. New supply chain reports indicate this highly anticipated device is completely finished and sitting in the Apple Vault. The physical hardware is ready, but the highly complex Apple Intelligence software is the bottleneck. Apple wants this beautiful smart display to serve as the physical face of the new AI Siri. Some wild leaks even point to a highly premium version equipped with a physical robotic arm that smoothly rotates the screen to track your face during FaceTime calls. Because this device relies so heavily on unreleased AI software, the launch will likely be staggered. We might see the standard, affordable smart display arrive this spring to aggressively destroy the Amazon Echo showed today. This affordable HomePad will run a brand new version of VOS, displaying your interactive calendars, security cameras, and dynamic widgets flawlessly. The more expensive Pro version with the robotic arm will likely be held back until the fall. This staggered strategy is brilliant. By launching the A17 Pro Apple TV and S10 HomePod Mini in April, they give software developers vital time to prepare for WWDC, clearing out old stock and preparing the world for an AI revolution. Seeing Apple Intelligence aggressively supercharge our televisions and smart speakers is a monumental shift in the tech landscape. But I want to pass the ultimate question directly over to you. Are you excited about an A17 Pro powered Apple TV? Would you actually play massive AAA games like Assassin's Creed on it? Or do you just want Siri to actually work correctly? Let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button to join TechPulse, and I will see you in the next one.